Good. Yeah, finally back into the swing of things. Nothing crazy. Got 2 days in, Wednesday and Thursday. Feeling good. Just got to keep stacking the bricks and see where we can be tonight. The more we do this every weekend, the nerves kind of go away a little bit more, and then we get a little bit more risky and can take a little bit more chances. I need to try and do that sooner than later, but just the consistency of racing now on the weekends and the weeks being the same is something that I thrive on. So just trying to get the ball rolling a little bit quicker than I have in the past, and try and hang it out a little bit more, and not really hang it out a little bit more, but ride more to my potential this weekend, and see where we can be at the end of tonight.
Midway through the second qualifying session, Mitchell made a mistake in a rhythm and crashed into the berm and knocked himself out pretty good and broke his arm when he hit as well. They took him to the hospital and he's all right. Everything else is okay, but just so gutted for him. So gutted for him. So gutted for Benny. I think gutted for our guys. 2 rounds in, 2 guys down. It's a massive blow to this team and them too for racers. But we're just trying to evaluate, trying not to be down on it, trying to figure out the positive and how what's the next game plan. We got 15 more races to figure out if we're going to do something. And so yeah, it's just a bummer. Just trying to get back on my feet and make sure those guys are all right. Once I know they're all right, we'll figure out a game plan. But just a bummer. It really is. He was riding good, and he had a shot of being really, really well this season. So he'll be back.